everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with another holiday DIY. You guys know that I love this season, and my first video for the series is actually out already. I did one last week for a Christmas tree macrame, and I thought it was super fun and super cute, but it was a little long because it's really detailed. You had to do a lot of like knots. So this week's video, I thought it was going to be fun and easy to make something more simple and faster, but still really cute. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so for our first DIY, we're actually going to do a pom-pom garland. I actually saw this off of Pinterest, so I grabbed myself some yarn. I got this one from like Walmart. Walmart sells this for like $3–4 or so. So the first thing you're going to do is actually make your pom-poms. So just grab your yarn. Oh my god, what a mess. Found it. Okay, what I do is I usually just wrap this around my hand. You can use like a piece of cardboard paper so you don't have to wrap it around your hand, but since I'm lazy and you guys know how I am, I usually just wrap it around my hand. I look like a mummy. Look at that. Depending on how thick you want your pom-poms to be, I would just wrap it around a couple times. I want to say I wrapped it around like 30 times. Take that out of my hand, grab some scissors. Of course I'm not prepared. One moment. Grab your scissors and you're just gonna snip off the end just like that. And then you grab a little bit of yarn. I would say maybe, what is this, like 6 inches? Cut that off. And then you're gonna tie it right in the middle of this yarn ball that you just made. You kind of want it in the middle because you want it even on both sides. But if you don't, then that's totally fine because you're gonna start snipping it off in the end anyways. So tie it as tightly as you can. I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this. I kind of got it into the middle, but it should look something like that. And then for the rings that you have now, the little loops, you're gonna start cutting it out. Make sure to try to get it to the middle. Give me some tips on how to make better pom-poms. So now you're gonna try to separate all of them. And yeah, there's some that are longer than others, but that's totally fine because you're gonna start trimming away anyways. I just eyeball it and start trimming the pieces that are longer than others. It's like you're making a ball, right? So you want it to be even all around. It's like you're trimming down a bush. Trimming down a bush. Something like this, okay? It's starting to form into a little ball, kind of, right? You still see like a little bit. I think this is good enough.
Ooh, these nights. Ooh.
So cute! We got two down. Two down. So let's go ahead and finish the rest and we'll be right back.
Days, the sunny days I spent with you in town, walking down that sunny street, passing the coffee house where we...
Alright guys, so I just got done making all my little pom-pom, and now we're gonna go ahead and try to like somehow connect these. So I cut out a few of these strands, I would say maybe like 5 inches. So it really depends on how far apart you want each of your poofs, like the distance in between that. I got some of these wooden beads. These wooden beads right here. I used it in my last DIY last week. Thought it would be really cute if I put it in between the pom-poms. I don't have a needle, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use this little stylus tool thing that I have. I'm gonna poke it through. Just like that. It worked so well earlier. We got one in. Now we're just gonna put a few more. Try to attach this to this. So I try to tie it together at first and I was just like, oh, that's not gonna work because it keeps coming loose. So a good idea is to grab your handy dandy hot glue gun and you're gonna actually glue it to the pom-pom. So where you tied your knot, you want to glue it there because it's the most sturdy area. So go ahead and find that where the little knot is, right there. I have my little pink rubber thingy to protect my finger because I tend to burn myself a lot. So you're just gonna put a little bit of glue right in the center. Just glue it to it. Glue it to it. Just like that. And then you can like fluff it up so it hides it so it won't show. Take another pom-pom. You're gonna find your little knot area. More glue right in the center. I love this thing. It's like a lifesaver. Yay! So cute. That's what you're gonna do with the other ones. So let's go ahead and finish up. Guys, we're done. Look how pretty it looks. I can't wait to style this in my room. It's gonna look really, really cute. I wish that I had like a fireplace or like a big Christmas tree or something, because this would look super cute on there. So that's the first DIY. It's super cute, really easy to make, and fast. I mean, if you get the hang of it, it's definitely a lot faster than making macrame, trust me. Let's go ahead and start with the next DIY. So for the next DIY, we're actually gonna do some painting. I got these canvases from the Dollar Tree. I found some design that I really liked off of Pinterest. I'll leave it right here. Felt like I can do something like that, recreate it and make it my own. I'm not the best artist, so don't come for me if it doesn't turn out real, like cute at all. Oh, what the? I was so close to poking a hole just now. Your choice in what color paint you want, but I got myself some pink paint, brown paint, red paint, burgundy paint. Why am I getting glue? I need paint brushes. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them on my little trays. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. We're just playing around with the colors, and we'll see what it turns out to be. Looks like right there. Please don't spill, please don't spill. We're gonna do, oh my god, it was so close to spilling. Let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna write ho ho ho. Freestyle it, or should I like write it out in pencil and trace it? Let's just freestyle. We'll freestyle it, okay? Because why not? If it looks like poop, it looks like poop. And contact. It's the first line for H. You can barely see that on the camera. Okay, we'll have to trace it if we have to later. Can we go O? I'm telling you guys, I'm not the greatest artist, okay? It's okay. This painting is not supposed to be perfect, right? We got ho down. Oh my god, you guys cannot see. Oh, yeah, there you go. One ho down. We're gonna go to our next ho. We got 2 hoes down, so ho ho. I feel like I said this before, but I feel like my DIYs are like Walmart versions of the things that I find on Pinterest. Not saying Walmart's bad or anything, it's just, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. How does that look? Does that look okay? It's not bad. I think we got our ho ho hoes down. We're gonna let that dry. We're gonna put it to the side. We're not done. We're not done. We're gonna get our second canvas, and I kind of want to make a little Christmas tree. So I tried to look back at my clip to see how it went, and it looked like it didn't even film the second half of my ho 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 painting. So this is what it looks like. I'm so sorry. Making sure that I'm recording this time. I'm gonna actually paint this whole thing one color, like that dark color that we have. Wow, I just really went for it. Voila, we're done. No, I'm just kidding. Definitely letting this dry. We're gonna come back to our ho ho ho's. I want to... Oh my god, what happened? I want to use this and like glue it around the border of this painting. But I don't know if I want to use that, or should I use my nautical rope. Alright, so I got some nautical rope. So let's go ahead and heat up the hot glue gun. Handy dandy tool. Let's start from the bottom, just in case. So no one sees all the mess ups that I'm about to do. There you go, our first painting. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? This painting is somewhat dry already. I want to make a little Christmas tree with the paint that we have left over. So the light pink one, we're gonna use that to create our tree. That ain't even in the middle, is it? Oh my god. It's fine. This is gonna look like how it looks back in like kindergarten when kids are starting to learn how to paint. That's what this gonna look like. How embarrassing. Maybe I won't add this in. If this makes it to the video, then wow. This looks so funny. If you want to watch like a better DIY person, then definitely check out other YouTube videos because I know they do way better DIYs than I can. But if you want something entertaining where the girl like tries to teach you how to do DIY and messes up all the time, if that's the type of content you like to check out and you like the entertainment, because I like to a lot of stuff, then stick around. Subscribe right down there. It's the type of videos that you're gonna get. Okay, and then let's put some squiggly lines in here. How about it? That didn't look too bad. Oh, I like that. Okay. Okay, she's an artist, guys. It literally looks like a kid's painting. It's fine. We have ourselves a Christmas tree. So what I did here was just take the same yarn that we made the pom-poms with, and I braided it because I wanted to glue it around the frame of this canvas. After I was done with that, I just took the yarn and I actually made myself some mini pom-poms. It's the same way that I did the bigger ones. Instead of wrapping it around my whole hand, I just did it around 2 fingers, and the same steps for how to make a pom-pom. After that, I just took my hot glue gun and then I glued the pom-poms in each corner of the canvas. Done with both the canvases and they turned out pretty dang cute. What do you guys think? I think they are adorable. This one definitely questioned at first. It's fine. My sister told me that it looks nice and it's cute, so thank you so much, Beamy, because I needed it, bro. This one, I have to say that it's my favorite out of all the DIYs in today's video. It just says ho 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 and it's very simple, super cute, and I love that it's like gradually getting darker. You know, I think this one's a little bit too light. It still shows up if you like zoom in. Comment down below if you guys have any ideas of DIYs that you want me to attempt. I'm not gonna promise that it's gonna look good or anything, but it's definitely something that I want to try. It's gonna be so much fun, like, you know, attempting some DIYs that I haven't done so before, so I'm excited. Leave those comments down there. I hope that you guys are ready for all the holiday videos that are coming your way. Hit the thumbs up button if you haven't done so already, subscribe, and make sure you're turning on your post notification bells because you want to get notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!